Hello everyone. While logging in or creating an account on Tinder, it's pretty much clear that the app requires you to enter your phone number regardless of the method that you choose to create an account. Even if you log in with Google or Facebook or with phone, it requires you to enter your number. So the app does not let you to log in or create a new profile without entering your phone number. However, there is a method by which you can create or log in a Tinder account without using your actual phone number, and that is by using third-party softwares that provide you with alternate phone number. So what you need to do is download any app that provides burner number. Most of them are paid versions or some are free that requires you to sign up. So basically you need to download those apps and get a phone number through it. So after getting the number from the app, enter the number while creating a Tinder account, and the app will send the verification SMS to that respective phone number. You can get that SMS from the app and enter it in the Tinder to create your account. So in this way you can use third-party softwares to log in on Tinder without using your phone number. However, entering a phone number is a must while creating the dating profile.